Hello friends, today we'll talk on a topic called orthographic projection, which is one of the most important topic from the subject engineering graphics. So I'll start from the question, which is what is the need of orthographic projection? So to get the answer of this question, I would like you to imagine that you are a carpenter, that means manufacturer of the things which are made from wood. For example, the chairs, the tables, the cot, etc. etc. So you are a carpenter and I am your customer and I am coming to you and I am asking you that I want a table. So will you give me the table immediately after this question of mine? Obviously not. You will ask me a few questions like what kind of a table do you want? What is the shape of that tabletop? What is the dimensions of that table? In fact, what is the size of that table? What is the material of the table, etc. etc. So you will ask me these questions which is required to manufacture that table, without which you cannot manufacture it. So you definitely will ask me these few questions. What if I answer you all these questions orally? What if I will give you the information regarding the size and the dimensions of the table orally? Like here, if I tell you that I want a table having a rectangular top which is having a length of 100, width of 50, the thickness of tabletop is 10, it is going to have the 4 legs having a height of 40, and along the length it has a spacing of 80, and along the width it has a spacing of 30, and the material of the tabletop is glass and material of the legs is wood. So this is what the information I will give you orally. So whether it is possible for you to remember all this information if I give it to you orally? Obviously not, because I will not be the only one customer coming to you and asking you for a table. You are dealing with many customers having the different requirements, and it is not possible for you to remember the requirement of each and every customer orally, right? So what is the solution on it? So solution is the drawing, right? So what kind of a drawing you need? So if you look at this drawing, which is a three-dimensional drawing, then you can easily imagine that yes, this is a drawing of a table, right? Second thing which you can see in this drawing is few dimensions of this table, like which I just told you. The tabletop is rectangular in shape, which is having a size of 100 by 50, thickness is 10 mm, it has legs having height of 40, the distance between two legs along the length is 80, distance between these two legs along the width is 30. So this is what all the dimensions are provided in this drawing. What else we can give here is the information regarding the shape of the leg, right? So you just imagine, if I give you this drawing to you, you are a manufacturer of the table, and if I provide you this information to you on paper, can you give me the table, or do you need some more information regarding the table? Think on it. You can pause the video and you just observe the drawing and think on my question. Can you give me a table with this information with you? So what information this drawing is not giving you, that we will see. Okay, So the first information which this drawing is not giving you is the number of legs. If you observe this drawing carefully, then it has only 3 legs. It shows only 3 legs. However, fourth leg is here. But even if I will try to show it, it's invisible. That means there is no point in showing it. So if you have this drawing with you, unfortunately, if you take it to manufacture, you will give me a table having 1, 2 and 3 legs only, because manufacturer duty is to manufacture the thing according to the drawing, right? Whatever the drawing he gets, according to that he tries to manufacture the object. So if I provide you this kind of a drawing, which is a 3D drawing, then definitely you will manufacture the thing according to the drawing. And if it happens, then you will manufacture a table having 3 legs only, right? Because 1 leg is missing, and it is unavoidable in this kind of a drawing, which is the 3D drawing. Then second thing is, what is the shape of this leg? Whether they are having a circular cross section like this pencil is having this circular cross section, or whether it is having a rectangular cross section, or whether it is having a square cross section, right? So that is also not clearly visible in this kind of a drawing, which is 3D drawing. So this is what the disadvantage of this 3D drawing. That means what? If you want to manufacture the thing, anything, then you have to prepare a drawing of it. You cannot give the information about that thing orally. Oral communication is not feasible, right? So you cannot do that. What you can do is you can prepare a drawing of it. But we just saw that if we prepare a 3D drawing of that thing which we want to manufacture, then few things are getting hide, right? So we come to the conclusion that 3D drawings are not useful to manufacture the object. So what is the solution on it? So the solution is to prepare the 2D drawing, that is two-dimensional drawings. So we will come to that topic, that how to prepare the 2D drawing of the object to manufacture it. So we'll see it on next lecture. Have a nice day.